And now a more advanced exercise, we have people for a little bit higher in their balance journey, some single leg balance. So again, you have the chair next to you, a countertop, something that you can hold on to. We also like to recommend doing it in the corner of a room, so you have two walls next to you. Standing there on one leg, chair in front of you so you have some balance, working on seeing how long that you can stay there in a stable position without having to use your hands. You're going to start to feel those muscles of your ankle start to move to maintain your balance. If the movement starts to get bigger, the hip muscles are going to start to be engaged. So this now incorporates everything that we've been strengthening on to start to improve that static balance. This exercise can also be varied by a couple of progressions that we mentioned on the earlier side. So taking away that visual aspect of things, doing this with your eyes shut is going to make this balance a lot harder. So that's going to strengthen those other systems besides that vision system to improve your balance. Doing it with your head turned to the side, doing it, and it's very difficult, as you can see.
I'm just not very good.
So doing it in other positions, if you're standing there with your head turned to the side, that's going to make things even tougher. So even starting with your hands on the surface, fingertips resting on there for a little bit of feedback of where your body is, and then progressing as you need to.